I thought I was all ready to get this show on the road, but I decided I needed to take this piece off because it wasn't going back far enough so that I could get the stuff on here. So I had to kind of tear that all off, and I decided I'm going to go ahead and put tile up there when I'm done. But I'm getting ready to sand this bad boy again. And hopefully it won't take me that long. And then I'm going to do the cleaning and wipe it down and get the tape up and start prepping for the actual reglazing. But if everything goes well, I might have it glazed by tonight. I'll be so happy. All right, I'll check back in later. Bye.